Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to send file in eOffice. Start by signing in, then navigate to the Files section and choose the destination folder. Click Upload, select one or more files from your device, and confirm any prompts. If needed, compress large files into a zip to meet size limits. Set permissions so recipients can view or edit, and always notify collaborators after upload to ensure timely access. In this video, I will explain how to send file in eOffice. Click the Upload button or drag and drop files into the folder area to begin. Monitor the progress bar and wait for confirmation that the upload finished successfully. If you run into size limits, compress the files or split them into smaller parts, then upload each part and inform the recipient which order to open them in. In this video, I will help how to send file in eOffice. After uploading, select the file and choose Share or Get Link to grant access. Adjust permissions to view or edit and add an expiry date for temporary sharing. If sensitivity is a concern, enable password protection or restrict access to specific users. Always double-check recipient emails and send a notification so they know the file is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.